Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to fix screen too dim outdoors on DOOGEE Note 56 Pro. So first, go into the settings and then display. Then disable adaptive brightness and brightness level all the way to the max. Then scroll down to color and contrast. And here you can change the color contrast. Right here you have the medium, the default, and the high. So select the high contrast, and you can select the outline text if you want to. Then we have the colors and contrast. And here select increased contrast. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.